This is Graham, and as always, channel, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and please share the video. Today we're going to be talking about why you should start investing. You can invest in the stock market, real estate, a business, but you should definitely be investing. So I've been investing in the stock market, and people tell you, oh, you can only get 10%, or you can only get 20% per year, or you can only get this or that. But you're the only one that can tell you what value you'll receive. Especially, I've seen a 50% return, and the year period's almost up, but this was just my first year of doing this. And I've been practicing and practicing, looking where to put my money. I've been doing research, whatever I can to get my numbers up. And I'm at 50% return right now, which is really good. And the average S&P 500 returns about 10% annual, and I'm at 50. And some people say, oh, don't invest in individual stocks, or don't do this, or don't do that. But you're the one that tells you where the value is going to be. So don't listen to anyone if they tell you to do this, or they tell you to do that. Just find out what works best for you. Even what I'm telling you right now, just see if you like investing in individual stocks or group stocks or anything. See what you like investing in, but you definitely need to be invested in something. Also, I'm kind of tired of telling people to do this or to do that, even though that's what the channel is about. After this video, we're going to get into the money talk, the money discussions. We're going to do different talks about budgeting, investing, what you should do with your money, what not to do with your money. We're going to have all these kind of different discussions. I'm going to talk with different people. I'm going to get ideas from you guys, so comment or just tell me personally. We're going to be doing a bunch of different things with the channels, all around revolving around money, obviously. So yeah, I can't wait for that. The real reason why you should be investing is because it's easy to get rich later, like years later. It's hard to get rich now. If you want to get rich now, you have to have a business, or you have to have something that's going to make money for you, and you have to work at it and work at it and work at it. Everything takes time. That's what I've learned through doing everything I've done. But the thing with investing is it always guarantees money for your future. So if everything I do now just doesn't work, I end up with a crappy job or something happens like that in the future, well, at least I have my stock market money and I'll be good. I'll be straight and I won't need to worry about anything. So with the stock market money, I've been making 50% this year, basically. Thinking about that 50% next year, 50% the year after, maybe 20% here, 10% here, 15% here. It's all gonna add up. I'm gonna keep putting money in it, and eventually I'm gonna be just relaxing off that money and doing whatever I want. But right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm just investing in the stock market, and I'm also learning from the people around me, even people that watch my channel, people I discuss with, and just taking all that atmosphere in and really observing everything so I can be living the best life I can possibly live, because I don't want to live in the gutter and I want to have money for myself. Like, I want to get money for myself for the future. So when I'm ready to do whatever, I have money just sitting to the side from my investments and from what I did when I was younger. So basically, you should start investing because you always need a good foundation, something to keep you strong. I know you're just like, oh, I can blow all my money on this or that. I mean, it's your life, do whatever you want, man. But like, I blow my money in clothing, not all of it, just some of it, like a small portion of it. But I like to invest my money and do other stuff with my money too. But I really like to invest because that's where I'm focusing my energy right now. So in the future, I'll just be relaxing off that money, like I said before. The reason why I talk about stock market investing, and that's what I recommend, is because I'm not a genius. I don't know everything about everything. At this point, I'm not old enough, and I don't have enough money to do anything else really. Like, I can't start investing in real estate, or I wouldn't really want to. I couldn't do other investings, like, I don't know. I just couldn't invest in anything else. So this is what I chose to invest in, and this is what I know how to do. I know how to get good returns. I know where to put my money. I know what I want to invest in, and I know where I want to take it. And I just use that from everything I've learned from people around me, like I said before. So I know where I want to take my investing. When you invest, you gotta know where you want to go, if you say, oh, I'm just gonna start investing and I wanna get rich, well, you need to think it's gonna take time, first off. Second off, you have to be willing to put in the research and energy, and you have to be willing to wait really, and you have to be willing to find where you can make the money. But also another reason I said stock market investing is because if I ever lose something, I don't know, small recession or a Great Depression, I'll be able to get the money back because I know what I'm doing and I know how to get the money back. If I lost 50% in a year, I could come back the next year. So basically forecasting the market, figuring out the trends, basic stuff I was just talking about. You just got to figure it out and what works for you. So we're also trying to create a community of people, investing ideas, different money ideas, anything that we can do. We're just trying to create a community on this channel, and especially we're trying to grow the channel. So send this video to people you know, family, friends, just help me out and grow the channel. But it's all about the community that we're trying to create. Ready? This was Dollars and Cents, Graham. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. And don't forget, if you have any video ideas, drop them down below or message me.